Okay, number 9 from the 10.2 number 2 worksheet, square root of 48x to the fifth. Okay, so I want to break this down into the square root of the integer times the square root of the variable. So the square root of 48 times the square root of x to the fifth. So let's take a look at 48. Now 48 has multiple perfect square factors because 4 does go into 48, but 4 is not the greatest perfect square factor of 48. 16 goes in 3 times. So I want to take the square root of 16. So that leaves me with 4 times the square root of 3. So the square root of 48 is 4 times the square root of 3. Now let's move to the square root of x to the fifth. We have to ask ourselves, how many times does 2 go into 5? 2 goes into 5 2 times. So that's x to the second. How many times it goes in is the exponent. Does it go in evenly? No. That means there's a remainder of 1. So that's an x to the first inside. So really what we're left with is this multiplication problem now. 4 square root of 3 times x squared square root of x. Multiply what's outside the square roots together, 4x squared. Multiply what's underneath the square roots together, 3x.